son of a southern man, daughter of a free man, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candle by stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but even his father ain't never gonna do her no harm. And whiskey on his breath, they were scared to death, and he was meaner than the devil himself. It was him or them, and you can call it a sin, but the Roanoke River won't tell. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candle by stop love tonight. Can't nobody stop this love. 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 Oh, can't nobody stop this love. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together.
Man.
Can't nobody stop love tonight.
Yeah, baby. Nice dough down. 11 minutes they took to come in. Whew. They were a little squeamish. They got my wind. One of the little ones got my wind, actually. Started stomping over there. And the big mature one was in the back. But she came in, but just wouldn't get committed. I stopped her. Probably about 20 yards. I almost hit the GoPro with the crossbow. I had to move over a little bit. And she didn't even run. 40 yards, maybe. Shaking like crazy. There's a big old doe.
I came from the mud.
Yeah.
There's dirt on my hands.
Right. Haven't made a video in a while since deer season is over, but did a little bit of ice fishing. Now warmed up, but ice is not good anymore. It's really warm today. It's up to the 60s, so we're gonna make some of the Bearded Butcher's venison bratwurst. All the stuff loaded up in the truck, heading over to Lou's or Whitetail Ridge for our buddy Chet, and we're gonna make some bratwurst. We're making some with pepper jack, cheddar cheese. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be some good stuff. First time using our stuffer we got, and of course we're gonna be using the Meet Your Maker dual grind meat grinder. We've used that a couple times now. It's our little cheap Amazon one is still working, but if you have a meat grinder, it's so powerful. I think it's half or 3/4 horsepower. Great, good product. I'll see you when get all set up. We're at Whitetail Ridge. In a bit. We're about to start filming. Here we go. Making some venison bratwurst. Butcher's Tailgator Bratwurst. Yeah. DIY. Getting going. Gotta set this camera up somewhere. Alright, here we go. Okay, we'll play in the background. Extreme close up. It just keeps the meat cold. That's making a lot of friction going through there, you know. So you can freeze these for a little bit. Just slows it down from heating it up. It's really cold.
It's a hell of a machine you got there, Ed. Whitetail Ridge is still active.
All year. That's what I'm that one. Now, mix it up a little bit. Oh, that smells really good.
It really does.
Your arm get tired?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, babe, I told you.
It's because I have a problem with my shoulders, though. It would be fine if it wasn't that.
Yeah.
And this whole thing comes with suction cups for the bottom. So like right now I have to keep my weight on the top of it. Yep. She got squeaky. Yeah, hold on. You got a marker?
Yes.
We don't get it right now.
Can you reach into that last blue drawer and there's a Sharpie there? Perfect. Yep. Thank you.
There it is, all done. 25 pounds of venison bratwurst. I went back and forth a couple times for
I
you.
know.
Real close.
Come on.
Are you recording me?
Yep.
Nobody wants to see my face.
Everybody does. Cooking
That
some
was
up
wow. That's a
now
good
I
haul
smell
right
them.
there.
in the air fryer, testing them out.
Beautiful.
Yep. Good day.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.